Hello, hello, hello! Welcome back to Okabura, the English Learning Show. I'm Tom.
And I'm Maya. Today we have a very special episode, full of fun, laughter, and of course, English learning.
That's right. If you've ever tried to speak English and, well, ended up saying something completely wrong, today's show is for you.
Yes, because mistakes are fun, and that's how we learn.
So, Maya, let's start with a simple question.
Shoot.
Imagine you are at a coffee shop and want to order a coffee. But you have a funny English brain today. How would you say it?
I want a coffee. No, wait. I want a coffee with happiness?
Coffee with happiness. That's perfect. But maybe we can say, I would like a coffee, please.
Yes. I would like a coffee, please. Much safer, but less magical.
Exactly. Safety first, magic later.
Okay, listeners. Here's today's quick tip. When you order something politely, always say please and thank you.
And when someone asks you, would you like some tea? You can answer, yes, please. No, thank you.
You see, English is polite, but also short and fun.
Now, let's play a game called English Fails. Maya, you tell me a funny sentence you accidentally said in English.
Oh, okay. Once I said to a taxi driver, take me to the moon, instead of take me to the market.
Wait, you actually wanted groceries, but ended up dreaming about space.
Exactly. He looked at me like,
That's a classic. Lesson: always check your words. Moon and market are very different, obviously. Okay, listeners, now you can practice with us. Imagine, you meet a friend in the studio.
Hi, Tom. How are you today?
I'm good, Maya. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. Did you drink your coffee?
Not yet. I'm waiting for my magical coffee.
Magical. Okay, I'll make you one.
Thank you. And don't forget, listeners, repeat after us. I'm fine, thank you.
Time for a quick quiz. Tom, which one is correct? 1. I goed to the market. 2. I went to the market.
Tricky. But I think number 2.
Correct. Number 1 is a very common mistake. Goed sounds funny, right?
Very funny. But number 2 is correct. Always use went. Who's there?
Let's imagine. It's a delivery man.
Pizza for, Tom?
Pizza? I didn't order any.
Maybe your English brain ordered pizza instead of pen.
Yes, I wanted a pen.
Listeners, see how English mistakes can make life deliciously funny.
All right, friends, that's all for today. Remember, English is not about being perfect.
It's about trying, laughing, and learning.
Make mistakes. Because every mistake is a little lesson.
And have fun, because English is magic, and sometimes pizza magic.
Yes, thank you for joining Okabura English Conversation.
See you next time. And don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe.